I've seen the magic of recording music like that with no concept of auto tunes.
आपको क्या लगता है that do you think the music industry is evolving with all this tech?
No, I think tech has been evolving over the years. I'm definitely from the school where music जिस वक्त होता था, जिस तरह से recordings होती थी, without any cuts, punches, or that यहाँ रोक दिया फिर वापस शुरू किया. So when I came into the industry, there were days when I have certain songs which I would do from start to end with all the musicians together. So I have
No
had
breaks.
no breaks, and if somebody makes a mistake, you do it all over again. So I've seen the magic of recording music like that with no concept of auto tunes and pitch correction or very
that you can do.
simplistic music, which was very warm, and there were organic like instruments like tabla hai, dholak hai, the pianos are there. So, but now times have changed. Now music is electronic and everything is 440 frequency tuned. Everything is digital. So with the onset of these kind of elements in music, I think these plugins, which people are always, it's a very controversial question: is autotune good or bad? Autotune is one of the plugins which just puts everything in pitch perfect.
It just sounds like that.
Because everything else is generated digitally. When it's tabla or it's harmonium or tanpura, there is a little rawness to it. It may not be pitch perfect. So with that, if you're singing with autotune, then it'll sound jarring. But when everything is like electronic, you need to have...
So you have to move with the times also.
Yeah, it's just a matter of sound. And that's what technology is doing. अब तो AI आ गया है,
so now the world is moving towards
absolutely. I think it's just people will have to become smarter of how to use this technology to make it sound amazing. And take the art to another level. But with anything which is so accessible, of course people misuse it, and it starts like any non-singer or non-composer makes it seem like ये music है, but बहुत mediocre हो जाता है. I mean,
I think so.
The craft is losing it's getting diluted. So you have to have a nice balance.
You have to balance it.